This is a Longarm quilting machine. It's a 21-inch machine that's made by the Grace Company. It's called the Unique 21X Elite. This is the top machine that the Grace Company makes. Really awesome, and I just love it. So these are the front handles. A lot of different machines will have different types of handles. These are really nice because they're adjustable. So not only will they telescope in and out to make it so that if you have shorter arms that you can reach towards the back of the quilt, but also they're just, you can have them be up or down or in or out, whatever, just so that they're adjustable and they're nice and comfortable. Not all long arms are going to have a really nice touch screen like this, but this one's kind of nice because you can get some help. You can do some other things, so pretty awesome. But you know, that is you got to pay for that extra fancier stuff. This is going to be the tension for this machine. All long arm machines are going to have tension adjusting knobs, so they may not all look like this, but 99% of the adjustment that you need to do for tension is going to be that knob right there. Not all machines have their thread holders be this far forward, but this is really nice. Kathy's Gamble actually has it towards the back, which, you know, you can't do anything with it unless you go all the way to the back. This is the needle, and if you see right there where the needle goes inside, that's called a hopping foot. This one happens to be a ruler foot, and it's kind of it's made specifically for when you're using a ruler. You'll usually want to have a ruler base with this because you can see that there's not a big area for this, but this is made to go up against there. And if you notice, it's the same height all the way around. If your foot isn't the same height all the way around, you don't want to use rulers with that, because if you do, more than likely it'll slip under the front of the ruler and ruin your timing as your needle gets driven through your ruler. But that's a hopping foot, and all long arm machines, actual long arm machines, have a hopping foot. This one's also, you can, as you can see, you can actually take that off. Well, you adjust the height as well, but there's a lot of different attachments that you can do on this one. Another thing that's really important about long arm machines is they will have wheels so that the machine can roll forward and back. Then they'll sit on a carriage, and this carriage has dual wheels on it, so it rolls smoother, but also it has dual wheels on the back, so that when you're quilting, this is a superior system to those that only have a single wheel up on top of their carriage. And this is the hand wheel. So if you need to, you can adjust this way, you know, that'll move the needle up and down. But since this is such a long machine, you can't always, you don't always want to do that. So what they have done here is, if you push this needle jog, so you can hear it click, and then if you watch the needle as I do this, I'm going to make it go back up. So this is nice because I don't have to go and have a really, really long arm to grab that. Now, just for some more terminology, if you look at the needle there, it's over on the left-hand side, if you measure from that needle all the way inside the arm, so this is the arm. If you measure from there to there, that's 21 inches. This area inside the arm of your machine, that's called the harp. And so if you ever hear people talking about harp, you know that's what that is. But they'll also talk about the throat length, but also they'll talk about the height inside the arm. So you can see that this one, it has quite a high harp, and that just makes it really nice for when you're quilting. I hope that this has been informative and gives you an idea about the different parts of a long arm quilting machine. If you have questions, please leave comments below and we'll gladly answer them. We really appreciate you, and thanks for watching.